Hi, my name is Mannan Dattah. I am the founder of India's largest martial arts gym chain. My passion is to pursue growth and personal development. Development in all areas, physical, mental, spiritual. In martial arts, we teach people how to be fighters. And I've also been fighting something in my life. So I was born with a congenital heart defect. And because of that, I had to undergo open heart surgeries. By the time I was 13 years of age, I had undergone 2 open heart surgeries, which is a very big deal. That experience was traumatic. That experience changed my life in a lot of ways. Well, fast forward to the future, things were okay. And when I reached around 20 years of age, that's when my doctor said that I'm going to need another heart surgery because one of my valves in the heart was failing. That news came as a big blow to me and my family because having already experienced the pain and trauma of an open heart surgery, going through another one was a very, very bad idea for us. It sounded like, oh my God, we have to do this again. It really felt like my world had come crashing. But I really have to give credit to my mom. She was determined that I'm going to find a solution for my son. She found that there is a new therapy, Transcatheter valve replacement, where one does not have to go under the knife. You don't have to do an open heart surgery. We found out about it. I got it done. And it was a success. And now I am back to living my life. And the transcatheter valve replacement therapy, it was easy. It wasn't something that took a great toll on me. If I compare it to my memory of undergoing a full heart surgery, open heart surgery, this felt like nothing. But it wasn't overwhelming pain. It wasn't something that I couldn't handle. I was able to handle it. It was manageable. And the difference between the two things is huge. An open heart surgery where you have to spend days in the ICU, so many things happen. And the difference is huge. And this is nothing. This is like, I just went in and I came out. So now I'm 32 years old. It's been about 4 or 5 years since I got the procedure done. And I feel great. I'm able to do martial arts. I'm able to pursue my passions. I feel strong. I feel healthy. And it's like getting another life, So I'm really happy. And my mom, she's so happy to see me like this. I can clearly say that I'm living a full life. I don't feel like I'm not living a life. I'm living a full life. In fact, most people, when they look at me, they're like, are you a heart patient? Really? You? And I'm like, yeah, I am. So I'm just really grateful for the treatment that I got. And it's allowed me to live the life I live today. It's allowed me to be the best version of myself. I'm really happy.